Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In today's Shopify tutorial, I will show you how to create a percentage discount with a maximum limit. For example, giving customers 10% off but only up to a maximum of $50. Let me explain in much more detail. So if a customer places a $1,000 order and you create a normal 10% discount in Shopify, so what's happened is you are accidentally giving away $100 off. That's actually a huge profit loss. So instead, you should cap the discount, for example, 10% off, but maximum discount only up to a $50. So let's see how we can configure this in your online store. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So I'm using Next Discount Capping Discount app from Shopify App Store. So if you need, I'll be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. So if you are installing the app in your Shopify admin panel, you can access this app from this app section. So log into your admin panel and head on to the app section and click on Next Discount app. Now we have to create our discount for first. So click on Create New Discount, and here comes the configuration part. First is the discount type. Choose the discount type. You can either choose the discount code or the automatic one. I'm just giving discount code, and let me give some, let's say like I'm giving a flat 10 as my discount code, and the value you can just make it a percentage one or a fixed value. Let me go with the percentage, and I'm giving a 10 percentage, and here this is the crucial part, the capping amount. So we have to give the capping amount as the restriction of our discount amount. So if whether the customer is orders a bulk order is come, or the purchase is very huge, or the cart value is high, we will be restricting the discount amount on up to $50. And let's say like yeah, whether it should apply for all the products, and this is the discount applies to part. This comes for the products, like whether it should for all the customers or a specific collection. So let's say there are many choices over here, and I'm going with the for all the products. So for all my products in the store, this capping amount and the discount will be applicable. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can go with these options. For now, I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirements. And in case of customer eligibility, you can just set it this for other customers, or a customers having some tag, or only on first order customers. So let's go with all the customers. And this comes the maximum discount uses. You can just limit the number of time this discount can be used per user in total. So give the total number here. And you can also limit this usage of code per user only one time. So I'm not adding all this. And you can just set up the active dates of this code. Let's say when it should start and when it should end, and the time, dates, and all you can set up over here. And if you want to combine this flattened discount code with the existing ones, let's say like the product discount, order discount, or shipping discount, you can just enable this. So the setup is done. Let's save this. So the discount has been created. Let's test this up in our online store now. So I have some product in my cart. Let's try to check out this. And now the product value is more than 700. Let's add our flat 10 code here. So on applying it, you can see the 10% of the discount code has been applied, and you can see that the 10% of 735 is more than $50. Since we are capped our discount code at 50, see this maximum discount the customer will be getting is restricted to 50. So no matter how large the order gets, your store stays protected like this way. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.